Amy Simpson the Hodos Helen Aquasator. Stijari of Fatus Sailor. Hayu and Movigas right and Boho Hat. Movigas to get that after the way. Nisa Odin, in Okida, a Pocolaga, his Mahoke Boha Kadira guarded. Bohalactos and that corner get letters with the door. Celebrate 2020 ang gilad. Inokariye kasi po halakin. Istides, we could hire give up or hizagit. Sino kasi po sa kandid. O ese, hisagan mo siya ako mga hidid like it with us. Git lakat. Stifik ham ko siya hakin. Disaport na gidang. O esen, nita hokran sa halatuan kanokada. O an sa haladarit, nak sa mahagit. So magkasas kumain, system zalaides o witon. Nagad agasas kades, abok kades hayat. Itagil may sigas of ofoy kayari, abok ben hayayat. Yan of kades of odigizayat. Si bagitis, get o hayat, o koros, o wasan. Itagil mo si inakizakatat, the figure of a like it, but the figure of it. Ano kas kamagat. Sinispotit. Men hitagad mo si inagizakatat. The figure of an enlikas nakabok kahaya kirunga. Mamuadit, manikdir mga swisan kisakat, disabutakat, kisakatit. Hisagad mo siya mga nakafangit, nakasisibuti duesos. Istides, self-fictated, istides, abiyagiba, suikirin hayakat, asabaklit, hadam, imerat kirin hayakat, hizagit, buhagit, amasastutides, sunggibo sa tat. Isagal mo siya ko'y kayarit. Mubigas makat, kumadit. Ang masusudidat sa hisagin mo naman. Man hisagal mo siya, ofan kumakarobiga. Man faith ofan o diatat. Man naktas ang buhakat. Ang buhibaks magulong ka, jamiz kahis maguludong. Uwesan, amazing. Hides, wakat. Hibit kilades, amuin wakas tuwasin. Hisagal mo siya magaling buhayat, ufoy kayarin. Hibit kiladat, ako'y gin. Hides, agasas ka, man umalin, agasas ka hayap. You know, still enough, Stundes, agasas kahayakatan. Kung sa'yo diskulong mo, kung kisan, itagal mo sila lumagan iwagad. Manayik sila fuitan. May gusto ko, ako tagibin, buhagin, hitagin, o kayis ko na hagan, isiliya sa buladin, fuitis ko na hagan. Uwan, itagal mo sila katsit, Yet, may gusto ko ng kaibahin o kayo naktat, a fish kigurados que maget, kuita nunca. Agas yan. Puyaf ko si Duesos, hisagan mo si Dan. May gusto ko na, how head ba hidesos, hindi ko rumpika, how head ba hidesos. Nagabakataw na mabidisubuti a hidesos. Sa kamabiti a hidesos ko nagkasada. At fast kasi, ano mo kaya, fix. Hisagan mo sinakin mo kaya, the fig net is getting mo kaya. Sa the fig net, and how you always do it. More she got it as a wait. We said he did. So that fast kasi do. Wasn't. Hisagan mo siya is the wrong at inagitigi body good. I'm a get flesk of wheat later. I'm from Hannah, Oklahoma. I'm Full Blood Creek, and I'm grateful for that. this one ordeal that we went through is sickness in 2020 called COVID. It was a dangerous thing. It was deadly. It was just like, people would go several at a time, and people would be called away several at a time, and you couldn't visit with them, you couldn't be around them. Had to be at least 5 to 6 feet apart. But that being the world, God brought us through it. I'm grateful for that. And I know the Lord, I saw the churches closed, the church doors closed, which that was a heartache. But God said, Jesus said, upon this rock I will build my church. Gates of hell shall not prevail against it. As that first came to me, that was a surety that God had a hand on our lives. Have faith in God. And I saw the church doors open. I knew Satan can't defeat Jesus. He never has and he never will. And through this, it's an encouragement to know who Jesus Christ is. It's encouragement, it's love. Because when I got down with the COVID twice, I asked the Lord, because I was seeing things, I was hallucinating. And I asked the Lord, I said, is this you, Lord? And he said, no. And I knew because, Jesus lives in our heart. And he sees our heart. And I know, God never lies, and encouraged me to know that it was a Satan who was doing all this bad thing, evil things, wicked things to people of God. But we're going to overcome it through Jesus Christ. And I praise the Lord.